Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change text font in Weebly. This is essential for customizing your website's appearance and ensuring your brand's typography looks exactly how you want it across different sections of your site. First, open your browser and navigate to Weebly.com. Once you're there, log in to your Weebly account using your credentials. This will bring you directly to your account homepage where you can manage all your websites on your homepage. Direct your attention to the left side menu. You'll see an option labeled Website. Click on it, and beneath that option, you'll find Edit Site. Go ahead and click Edit Site to proceed. Next, you'll be presented with a list of websites associated with your account. Choose the specific website you want to edit by selecting it from the list. Once selected, look over to the right side of the screen where you'll see an Edit button. Click this button to enter the editor interface for your chosen website. Now you're inside the editor page of your website where all the customization magic happens. Focus on the top menu bar and locate the option that says Theme. Click on Theme to access your website's overall design settings. After clicking Theme, shift your attention to the left side menu that appears. Here you'll find an option called Change Fonts. Click on this option to open the Font Customization panel. This is where you have complete control over your website's typography. You'll see different categories available for customization, including fonts for the header area, general text, media elements, and store sections. Each category can be styled independently to create a cohesive look across your entire site. To change any font, simply find the element you want to modify and click on it. You'll be presented with multiple customization options, including font family, style, size, and color. You can also adjust more advanced settings like uppercase formatting, letter spacing, and line height. These options give you precise control over how your text appears, allowing you to match your brand guidelines or simply create a more visually appealing design. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to customize all the text fonts across your Weebly website. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.